Hello everyone. How innovative designs can transform a tiny houses into a dream homes. Join us for a tour of incredible tiny homes and discover the space-saving tips and the unique architecture ideas that redefines home living. Welcome to our latest video on incredible tiny home designs for 2024. Today we are diving into the world of innovative architectures, minimalist living and the space-saving solutions. Whether you are a tiny houses enthusiast or just about the trendy, stay tuned for some inspiring ideas. Tiny homes have revolutionized the real estate market, offering a unique blend of affordability, sustainability, and style. With their creative designs and the efficient use of space, these homes prove that the less is more. Innovative architectures and design, you can see that, and you can apply whenever you want to build your dreaming tiny homes. Incredible tiny homes are all about innovative designs. From the clever storage solutions to the multiple functional furnitures, every inch is utilized to its full set potential. These tiny houses nations is pushing the boundaries of architectures, making each home a masterpiece of a creative and the functionality. And interior design is also very important and the play a role in a tiny homes very incredible and the crucial. The emphasizes on a minimalist living, not only the maximizing the space but also create a screens and the cultures free environment. Imagine a home where every piece of a decor serves a purpose and add it to the overall amazing and beautiful. Tiny houses tours and home designs very amazing. You can see that in the most incredible tiny homes are a cozy loft to modern kitchens. These homes are designed with both style and the practically in mind. Each home tour offer a glimpse in the creative designs and innovative solutions that make the tiny living so appealing. Sustainable living is at the heart of a tiny houses movement. Many tiny homes are built with the eco-friendly materials and energy efficient system. These small houses not only reduce our carbon footprint but also promote a simple, more mindful way of living. Unique architecture and creative designs are what set incredible tiny homes apart. Each home has its own personality, reflecting the individuality of its own. From the rustic cabins to sleek the modern designs, the possibilities are endless. Living in a small space does not mean the corporations on a comfort or styles. Tiny homes are packed with space-saving ideas that make small space living not only visible but also enjoyable. Yeah, you can see that innovative storage solutions and the foldable furnitures and the convertible space ensures that you have everything you need right at your fingertips. And incredible tiny homes are more than just a trend, they are lifestyle choice that embrace the simplicity, sustainability, and creativity. As you look forward to the 2024, the tiny houses movements continue to inspire and challenge us to the rethink what a home can be. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment and subscribe for the more